Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to compare two Solana NFT marketplaces, which are Magic Eden and OpenSea. So let's begin. Solana NFTs are steadily taking over the space, and two most popular Solana NFT marketplaces are Magic Eden and OpenSea. We are going to take a look at the pros and cons of these two marketplaces in this video. Magic Eden versus OpenSea. The most notable difference between the two platforms is the blockchains they are built upon. The Magic Eden NFT marketplace resides on the Solana blockchain, which is known for its functionality and scalability, whereas OpenSea is built on the Ethereum blockchain, a central player in the crypto world. This difference accounts for many subsequent points of separation, including the currencies used to buy tokens on the platform. While Magic Eden deals in SOL, which is Solana's native token, OpenSea users must buy and sell with Ether. As the Magic Eden NFT marketplace surges in popularity, many traders have been comparing it favorably with OpenSea. While Magic Eden has surpassed OpenSea in daily trading, OpenSea still continues to attract more capital. With traders intrigued by the reasonable Magic Eden fees, the Solana based upstart could continue to grow at OpenSea's expense. In the quickly changing world of NFTs, there's no telling what the future holds in the Magic Eden versus OpenSea debate. Getting started with Magic Eden and OpenSea is pretty straightforward. You just need to connect your wallet for the platforms to be able to view your current NFT portfolio. If you want to buy new NFTs, they will go to that wallet, and if you want to sell some of your current holdings, they must be stored in the connected wallet. Magic Eden supports 13 wallet providers, including Phantom, Solfair, Solid, and Exodus. On the other hand, OpenSea sticks to the more traditional choices like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Phantom, and Glow. Both platforms have a straightforward user interface, allowing you to link your portfolio in a matter of just a few seconds and with just a few clicks. However, if you're looking for the ultimate Solana wallet variety, Magic Eden outperforms OpenSea in terms of the available choices. Buying Solana NFTs. Once you have your wallet connected to a secondary marketplace, you generally have two paths. One is buying Solana NFTs or listing and selling them. Let's start with purchasing. Magic Eden has a very easy purchasing structure. However, users need to have enough funds in their wallets. While OpenSea supports card payments through MoonPay, Magic Eden is completely Web3, only allowing customers to pay with crypto already in their wallets. Notably, the transaction fee on Magic Eden is 2%, while the same fee on OpenSea is set to 2.5%. As both marketplaces facilitate transactions on the Solana blockchain, the gas fee associated with a purchase is relatively low at around 0.00001 SOL or just less than $0.01. Next, let's look at listing and selling Solana NFTs. Listing and selling your Solana NFTs on Magic Eden and OpenSea is not too much of a hassle. Once you have your wallet connected to the platform of your choice, you can decide which collectibles you want to list for sale. Magic Eden does not charge any additional fees for listing or delisting your NFTs from the market. Of course, the transaction fee of 2% when the item is sold remains, and it is virtually the only thing you owe Magic Eden when listing and selling NFTs through the platform. Importantly, creator fees or royalty fees will also be deducted from the sale price of your NFTs every time they switch owners. OpenSea functions in much the same way. While Ethereum NFT sales on OpenSea requires validations and higher gas fees, its Solana beta version reduces these costs to a minimum. The platform transaction fee of 2.5% remains for every sale you make. Additionally, creator royalty fees are also deducted from the final price. Both platforms allow artists and creators to set their own royalty fee percentage. Next, let's look at auctions. This is a separate selling mechanic offered by both Magic Eden and OpenSea. The auction function allows sellers not to put a fixed price on their NFT, but rather invite bidders to say what they're willing to pay for the price. Both marketplaces have auction structures in place, allowing sellers to create live bidding competitions for their NFTs. It is important to note that if you're bidding in an auction, you need to have the amount of SOL tokens you're prepared to pay in your wallet, as they are set aside in an escrow wallet until the auction is complete. If you were outbid, your SOL is returned to your wallet. Next, let's look at performance. Magic Eden and OpenSea are the leading secondary marketplaces for Solana NFTs according to DappRadar data. In this data, there have been several findings. First is that Magic Eden ranks first with nearly 300,000 unique active wallets registered in the past 30 days. And OpenSea is following closely in the second position with over 80,000 unique active wallets registered in the past month. However, it is essential to note that OpenSea's Solana integration is still in beta. Magic Eden, which is Solana's leading marketplace, is now topping OpenSea. According to weekly data from DappRadar, Magic Eden has seen roughly 275,000 daily transactions, which includes purchases, bids, and listings, compared with OpenSea's 50,000, according to weekly data from DappRadar. The number of unique users trading NFTs on each platform, however, remains in favor of OpenSea. In the past 24 hours, Magic Eden has hosted 24,000 traders, while OpenSea 41,000, according to DappRadar. While Magic Eden users are transacting at greater rates than on OpenSea, the lack of blue chip NFT projects on the Solana system has led to lower total sales volume despite more transactions. In terms of capital being spent, OpenSea remains a good distance ahead, seeing $35 million of sales volume compared to Magic Eden's $10 million. The average price of an NFT traded on OpenSea was also over $700, well above Magic Eden's average price of $123. Lastly, just let's look at the bottom line, or basically the conclusion of this comparison. Magic Eden is an NFT marketplace that's built on the Solana blockchain. The platform is known for its 2% transaction fees and also its growing selection of interesting tokens. For Solana enthusiasts, Magic Eden is a breeding ground for the hottest Solana NFT projects that are taking off and building hype among the growing community. As Solana takes its place among the world's most popular blockchains, the Magic Eden NFT marketplace figures to rapidly improve its standing. OK Bears, Great Goats, and Jiken Studios could be just the beginning of an emerging trend. For anyone interested in the future of NFTs, Magic Eden is clearly worthy of our attention. And that brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions and want us to make a video on a specific topic, feel free to comment them below. And for more such videos, make sure to stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.